What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to search for a product that I would start selling. And what is that product? The product is a car accessory business on eBay. I wanted to start a car part business on eBay. We're gonna learn how to pick a specific product. You can sell this product. You can use a strategy to find a product that you want to sell. I'm gonna show you how to find a car accessory business and sell it on eBay. You are probably thinking, why should we listen to me? I have been able to start a new business on eBay, and I have multiple different eBay stories that's done thousands of dollars, so let's not waste any more time. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Now we are going to jump right now into the video. Now you need to know exactly how you can start a car accessory business on eBay. So what I normally do is that I jump onto ebay.co.uk.com when it comes to building a new business on eBay, and I search for business in the same category that I want to start with to see how their logo looks, how they have structured their store, what type of products do they sell, what the name of their business is. Now I'm gonna search for a company that's selling a car accessories. I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown of how you can structure your store using a business on eBay. So when it comes to searching for a store, what is the first thing that I do? The first thing that I do is to see how they have branded their store. So what you do once you are here is that you have to scroll down and see, and as you can see, I am on the main eBay homepage. So you need to scroll down once you are at the bottom of the page, and here you need to click on eBay shops once you are on this page, and after that you need to click on find stories, and here you need to click here and search for cars. As we can see here in their shop name, it says there is 353 shops found with a car purse. So it's going to pop up on this page right here whenever customers are searching for that product. You can try and put it in the name of the actual business, and this is why it's important that whatever product you decide on selling to have a high chance of making sales. And here you need to click on one of them so that we can have a look at. Here we go. I click on ACP all car purse. So the first thing that I want you to look out for when it comes to branding your store is the logo. As you can see, it says ACP. Any customer that comes into the store will know exactly what this business sells straight away. They have got a custom store template, very nice. The top here, service parts, brakes, engine parts. They have got the categories listed out, as you can see what type of products are selling and how they have structured it. And to get a custom store template, not every single business on eBay will go the lengths of spending money. As you can see, this company is doing very well, and yeah, this is how you should approach your eBay store. They have got over 24,000 floors, got over 2 million different items for sale right now. So covers is definitely a business that's doing well in eBay. So what I'm going to do now is scroll through and to start up my car accessory business and find a product that's selling right now. So now you need to search until you find the products that's selling well. And here, this product that's definitely selling well. And what is the product? The product is rear camera. It allows you to recording, and you can use it for any insurance claims. So if you have any accidents, you can use it. You just need to stick it on your car, and it goes in the front and the back. This product is selling well right now. You can start with this product. I didn't know that. It says 66 sold in the last 24 hours. Straight away, I know he made from this product over $400 in revenue in the last 24 hours. So what you need to do is click on where it says 66 sold, that you can have a better insight to see, and you need to scroll down and take a look. Now I'm definitely gonna sell this product, and you should start with this product. It will help get my business jump started, and it's selling right now. So what I'm going to do is jump over to Tropic right now. I will show you how to use Tropic in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.